Hey there, in this series of 4 videos, we are going to learn how to sharpen. This first video is preparing your image for sharpening. So you see I have an image opened. It's got a couple of layers in it, and I need to get this ready. We want to flatten those layers, size the file, and duplicate it for our first sharpening technique. So to do that, I'm going to start by going over here to Image, that's in the menu, down to Duplicate. And I'm going to call this one Original Sharpen. So, okay. Next up, I'm going to come over to the Layers panel, and I'm going to scoot right across from where it says Layers to these little lines, and I'm going to drop down and flatten my image. All those layers are now one. Now I'm going to come over here and check to make sure that I'm in 8-bit for submission to Canvas. I am. If it said 16-bit, I just hop over here and just click it over to 8-bit, but we don't need to do that right now because we are looking good. I'm going to come down here to image size next. In an image size, I want to make it a 240 resolution image. That's because we're going to print it on an inkjet printer. And I want to make it 3000 pixels on the long side for sharpening. Okay, that's the first step. Now, I'm going to duplicate this image one more time because it's ready to be sharpened. So I'm going to go to Image and I'm going to go Duplicate. And this time I'm going to call it Unsharp Mask. And you'd call it your last name _ first initial Unsharp. Okay, now I have my original and my Unsharp. On to the next video.